Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn a new speaking pattern. Let's go. Would it be a good idea to plus for one? So wouldn't be low wouldn't be a good idea. A good idea. Would it be a good idea? To suraga yen be nama for one. Do you know my head? A genuine idea to cool Matimbula, music alone and me message media. Wouldn't be a good idea to invite our friends around? To invite our friends. Invite Raga, pay for our friends around. Pay for like daga, be a good idea. Agenda cool Matimbula. Wouldn't be a good idea to hold the meeting earlier? To hold the meeting earlier. Host Raga. Kaine, Jimbare Lule, take the no? Diniama to hold the meeting earlier. Alias Roga, so, Puvia, so, Puso, no? Media so salai daga, Kauna Jandayan to Kulo, Matimbula. Wouldn't be a good idea to change our furniture. Furniture's Bogari would change our furniture. Pre Bogari would change Raga, lay out, not lay out, young lay out. Pre-Bogari go young like daga wouldn't be a good idea. Wouldn't be a good idea to postpone the meeting. Postpone should sign like that. Wouldn't be a good idea to postpone the meeting. Meeting to somewhere go should sign like that. Wouldn't be a good idea to go by train. To go by train. Go by train. Jatane idea to cool wouldn't be a good idea to get on with our neighbors. Get on with Raga, Sasai Kanga Momono, neighbors Raga, Inina Genuga. Inina Genine, Sasai Kanga Moshiraga, idea to cool Matimula. Wouldn't be a good idea to start all over again. All over Raga, Sani, so Piansara. Against Raga, not hot tapido. Wouldn't be a good idea to start all over again. Wouldn't be a good idea to stay in one bedroom. One bedroom Raga, a can gigi to cool him up, need to Sunira, idea. Wouldn't be a good idea to go to Ngabli instead. Instance Raga. Dilome asabo, no? Dilome sa dilora count idea crum stimula. Tinia maga to go to Napolis. Magoa the cuckoo, but Hamawa, Yango Domelu, Sinara Pimebo, no? Dichema, Napoli go Dora, count idea culum stimula, to look your no? So, not a video, Rima, but it up on me,